Okay, so what happened? Dad was snoring?
Dad was snoring.
Come here. Come over here. Tell me.
You know, you know, you know, snoring.
I was snoring?
Yeah, you know, doing sleep.
No, me and you were sleeping, right? We took a nap,
I took a nap.
and then I was snoring.
Yeah,
And
I
what did it sound like?
It goes.
How was that again? Like like ah. Uh,
That was my fault.
it was a big snore, huh?
It was a big snore.
It sounded like a big monster.
No, it's not a monster.
It's just Dad, huh?
It's just Dada.
Oh,
What? Hey!
hey, was the snoring? Was it scary?
It was
Come here, come
scary.
here. Talk to me. Tell me over here.
It was scary.
What did it sound like again?
It was scary.
What did the snoring sound like?
It was snoring. I, I didn't like it.
You didn't like it, huh? What did it sound like?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, do you remember the noise? It was a big noise, right?
It was a big noise.
It was a big snore.